everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a cozy Valentine's Day look, sorry echoes right here, using the NARS Studio 54 palette. So this is a brand new palette that I purchased, it was in the sale. So I got this from Space NK and I was totally obsessed with what it looked like on the screen. So I thought I would buy it, try it out, echo, just share my thoughts. If you want to find out how I created this cozy Valentine's Day look, as well as my thoughts on the NARS 54 palette, then keep on watching. Hey you guys, so we're going to be reviewing the NARS Studio 54 palette. I haven't actually created a look with this yet. So there are 12 shades within this palette. There are a mixture of matte shades and shimmer shades, which are just gorgeous. I think it's a lot different in person than it looks like on the screen. The colours look like they pop out a lot more. That's my first impression. I do really quite like their packaging. They always seem to go above and beyond and a little bit extra. And I think for Studio 54, which, if you don't know what Studio 54 is, I believe it was like the disco era, so it's very like pops of colour, jazzy, glitter. That's how the vibes that I'm getting. And I think this palette does kind of, in essence, replicate that with the pinks and the shimmers, but there is a lot of neutral in here. I'm really quite interested to dive into this palette for the first time and show you a simple look that I think I'll create, which will be maybe inspired by Valentine's Day, we shall see. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the rest of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm so gutted that I have hardly any of this left. But I'm just going to prep my eyes. So as we do, I'll zoom you in and we can get started. When I think of Valentine's Day, I kind of think of, like, you normally think of like reds and pinks, but I also think of what suits you, like what is your best look. And I think for me, I usually go bronze, like I'm a bit more of a bronzy girl, I like warm tones. But today I'm thinking maybe some pops of colour, but like shimmer, not too overbearing and overpowerful. I think I'd like something just a little bit more classier than that. So the first shade I'm going to dip into is Ring My Bell, which is this shade right here. It's just their matte brown. Echo's down there, by the way, so if my camera starts moving, it's because she wants my attention. She keeps nudging the camera. So I'm just going to pop this over the lid using a Spectrum A08 brush. Gary and I actually don't celebrate Valentine's Day. We don't do anything for it. I can't remember the last time we did. It usually gets me like a rose or something, but we don't go all out because, I mean, you're meant to show your love every day, right? Now that is done, I'm actually going to, I love you too, Echo. I'm actually going to just go into the crease with this brown shade right here. And this is called Dr. Love. And I'm just going to take a brush junkie brush, and this is their medium blending brush, and I'm just going to take that and just pop that into the crease. The shades are really nice. I mean, they're not really any different to eyeshadows that I've used before. There's nothing, you know, outstanding about them. They feel nice, they feel quite silky, they blend really well. Just taking that on the outside, on my outer corner, just bringing that in. I'm trying to think of ways of how I can add the pinks into this, because obviously there's two really bright colours in here and the rest are really quite neutral. I'm just going to take that Spectrum 808 brush and I'm just going to blend that out a bit more. I don't want it so dark. I just wanted to kind of deepen the crease a little. That brown doesn't show up like it's too intense, I don't think. It just kind of sculpts the eye slightly, which is nice. I'm going to dip into this shimmer shade right here, and this is called Relight My Fire. And I think this is just like a shimmery shade. I'm just going to pop that all over the lid. Oh, it's very shimmery. It's like silvery bronze maybe. It goes really nicely with that brown, which we're going to intensify slightly, I think. One thing I really love about makeup is you just make it up as you go along. Actually me, because obviously I'm not a makeup artist, so I kind of just do looks that I feel would work on me. There we are. Hey ho. But I really like that. It's actually really, it's got a subtle shimmer. I'm just going to take a Spectrum a B07 brush, and I'm going to dip back into that brown because I need something that's just a bit more flexible. I'm just going to deepen the crease slightly. And then back in to Relight My Fire and just go back over the top of that to bring that shimmer shade out a bit more again. That's enough of the eyes for now. I'm just going to do the rest of my face, which I'll do really quickly, and I'll put all the products that I use in the description below, so it's just easier for you to follow, so I can speed this up. So back to my eyes, I'm actually going to dip back into the palette, and I'm just going to dip into this gorgeous pinky shade right here, and this is Lady Marmalade. Just going to take this small brush, I'm just going to pop that underneath my lower lashes. And this is how you add a pop of colour into your Valentine's Day look without going too OTT. Going to dip back into the palette, and I'm just going to add a bit of the goldy shade here, which is called We Are Family. I'm just going to pop that in my inner corners using the same brush. So you guys, this is the final look. It's very, very simple. I found this palette, if it wasn't in the sale, I don't think I would have purchased it. Personally, I think that the shades look, I mean, they're really just not as colourful as I thought they were. I think those two pinks weren't in the palette, I don't really think it would be really worth the money, because there's a lot of neutral shades in there that you can get with obviously more affordable palettes. The shades themselves are, you know, they're good quality. NARS usually do really good quality products anyway, but are they any different from, you know, a Morphe palette or something that's obviously more affordable to a broader audience? Probably not, I don't think. I do like some of the shades in here. I really love like the bronzy colours that they've got going on. I'm a bronzy kind of girl, and I think it would work if you're, I don't know, someone who, if you like more of the neutral shades, I think it would definitely work for you. But would I pay £56 for this? No, I really, really wouldn't. I think it's cute, but it's not really worth that. I do get the obviously link between, you know, the disco vibes, but the shimmers aren't really shimmery. I think they're obviously everyday wear types of shimmers. They're not really, you know, jump off your eye type of shimmer. Maybe it's just how I'm working with the shades, I really don't know, but my opinion is that they're not really anything special. It's a cute palette, but I would never pay full price for it. And I do like the look that I created. It's obviously very understated with a little pop of colour with the pink, but I could create this look with other palettes that obviously are more affordable. So yeah, overall I don't really get disco fever with this. It's called hyped, and maybe it's just a bit overhyped. For me personally, it wasn't, I mean it's cute, but it's not really amazing. It's not really £56 amazing. So I wouldn't recommend buying this. I think you can find better eyeshadows, and I think NARS do better eyeshadows anyway. And I feel bad because I do love NARS as a brand, but yeah, disappointed really. I have to say I am disappointed. So yeah, I hope you found this useful. I hope you like this makeup look regardless. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!